Testing, testing, testing. Seems like we're good. So let's begin. My Word document, and then I'll start this up. Awesome. Wait, what? This is my old one. I deleted. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I deleted document 1. Please. What? That is all I did? That's not what I did last stream, right? I'm sorry. Give me a second. While I sort this out. Descriptions. What? Oh, it's called journal review. Journal review is not to be found here. Journal review. Where did it go? Hello? Who saved? I am screwed. Word. Microsoft Office login. Why is it not here? Opened this 7 days ago. I deleted it? There's no way. This is BS. On a different account, probably would. No, 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 no. Word. There it is. Oh my days. Save a copy. This PC. Browse. Turn on the desktop. I'll put it in the downloads folder. Save it. Go back to my normal accounts. Not autosave, put it in my OneDrive. Okie dokie. Thought I lost this. Well, you're enjoying the music. Let's turn on the screen again. Video. Yeah, found it. We're in light mode. Probably someone's gonna hate me for it, but yeah. So we're gonna not look at this. Not look at my DMs. Over here. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Close of these tabs. Let me just. You know what? These are just mainly new anime, anyways. I'll find them later on. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Leave that up. Turn this back on. Okay, let's get a quick recap of where we ended yesterday. The other day. So the last thing we did was how to review a journal paper. Ask Professor for So, yep, I found out that the audience is for mainly experts. So, this journal paper doesn't need to be. Right, make this a PDF. You have to access it first. PDF. Nice, thank you. Okay, let's finish reading this. I feel like I'm a bit behind in that respect. Spelling mistake. Where? Oh, right here, yes. Okay, we were at 3 point something. We ended on 3.3 here. Let's begin this reading part. Point 1. Oh wait, did I recap? So last week, I think it was last week. We were just doing notes. These are notes I took, taken, and then looked over it. And then we got up to these questions at the end. To review a journal paper, that's what we read on. One. Here. And then we wanted to look through presentation clarity as well. And then I don't know, but non-concise components are something I have to look for as well. Take a while because I'm bad at that. I'm yawning. But yeah, let's start. CNSR Architecture Trade Study. The CNSR mission will likely be the first flagship science mission to use ion propulsion. The New Millennium Deep Space One mission was first and foremost designed to demonstrate new technologies, with collection of science data only a secondary. Consideration. Okay. So Deep Space One, as we know, carries a lot of new technologies that NASA wanted to try out. That is pretty important, I think. In the introduction. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna put this in the notes section. Deep Space One. A lot of stuff in my face. Can't move my mic, it's a big bulk. Deep Space One is primarily for testing new software. But with its secondary objective for science missions. Science. Deep Space One is primarily for testing new software. New technologies, man. Collection of data. In contrast, science missions require that the bus subsystems include onboard propulsion at very high reliabilities. Specifically, CNSR will require that the ion propulsion system be single fault tolerant. What is single fault tolerant? ability of a system to continuous function following a single failure. Okay. Usually it's called again. These science missions require very high reliabilities. Often these systems must be single fault tolerant. If one particular subsystem fails, this should not impact the one particular function fails. It should not impact system and should continue without interruption. A trade study using Brooks 2 as the target comet was conducted to determine which engine and system technology improvements provide the greatest mission benefits for CNSR without introducing unacceptable technical risk. 5 different engine technologies were considered. Brooks 2. What is Brooks 2? That's a comment. Trade study using Brooks 2 as a target comment. I'm trying to find a way to make it more concise, or something along those lines. Okay. Okay. Honestly, I look at these papers and I think these guys are much better than I am. And it is probably very much so true. But I just don't know how I can change it. Sometimes I wonder who's in my hallway. Because those guys don't live here. I don't know how they're getting into our hallway. Because they're making a large racket. But that's... I don't know how they keep getting in here. Because I know none of my flatmates are inviting these guys in. But yeah, somehow they still make it in. Yeah. Let's see. Let's keep going. Okay, so how would I write this out? How would I present this? ENSR is a mission that targets a comet named Brooks 2. ENSR. A first flagship mission on board the Deep Space One mission. Targeted Brooks 2, a comet, aiming to return samples of dust, volatiles and dust from the nucleus of the comet. Oh my goodness. Nucleus of the comet as a science mission. Although the primary objective of DS, is it called DS1? Is to of Deep Space One is, you know, the names is fine. Type 1. Deep Space One. Although the primary objective of Deep Space One is of technological advancement, testing and advancement, the mission, within the mission, 5 different technologies were considered. 5 different engine technologies were considered. Okay, let's see. How will I present this? How would I present this? No images here, so we don't know what they look like. That's for one. Maybe they're shown. What else? Although, like, they're gonna be the same, basically. Existing N-Star, DSI engine, DS1 engine, DSI, stop saying that. ISP, specific impulse, 3100 seconds, max input power 2.3 kilowatts, low ISP version of the N-Star engine, 3100 seconds, maximum input power of 3.1 kilowatts, medium ISP version, input power 3.1 kilowatts, ISP 2400 seconds, high ISP version. So if I were to actually present this, I need to find out the differences in these 5. Let me pull out some snacks. I'm always snacking, especially when I shouldn't be. Conventional system architecture consisting of text. Oh, okay, sorry. Let me open this package. I have jammy dodgers. Strawberry flavored jammy dodgers. Jam and biscuit, it says. I assume both biscuit and jam itself is strawberry flavored. That's what it means. Slightly disappointed. But that's okay. Just a snack. I'm just having two screens. Alright, no worries. So let's find out what specific impulse is. Specific impulse. Let's just skip this part. We can divide this equation by the weight of 2 pounds to find the specific impulse. This word specific just means divide by weight. Impulse is given by. Okay, so what is impulse? Impulse is the change in. What? Change in momentum of an object. For babies. Oh, that's not what I meant. Explained. A specific impulse is a measure of thrust that's produced by unit fuel expended per unit time and is a measure of the fuel efficiency in the system. However, a system may have high fuel but still not produce enough thrust for a given application. Okay. The higher it is, the worse it is. No, sorry. The higher it is, the better it should be. God. Hello, monkey. What am I clicking on? So if we look at here, we can see the high ISP versions. These are the input powers, so that's how much power they take. What is a watt defined? A watt is a joule per second. So higher equals to more consumption. Oh, the song is so good. It's already here, of course. And okay, let's read this. In addition, 6 different single fault tolerance systems. Yeah, here he talks about it, but I guess he's going to tell us which one was selected at the end. So within my explanation, I'd say out of these 5, this one was selected, and with under that we have 6 different blah blah blahs. So how will I present this in an information? I'm going to probably make a table. Insert table. There are 6 headings, and then we have how would I do this? I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, I think this is better. And we have to write down the ISP, input power. I don't know what I'm doing, but that should work. So we have the first engine, which is listing and start. Yeah, I need static 6. delete columns. Let's just refresh this. That's 6 by 4. String and star /PS1 engine. We have ISP and max input power. I need 2. Delete rows. Low ISP version of N-Star engine. Medium ISP version of N-Star engine. High ISP version of Star engine. High ISP 5 watts of N-Star engine. Okay, so we have 2,100 seconds. I'm thinking if I had the table downwards, that might be better. Yeah, let's make another table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. Yeah, how they look. Yeah, I did screw that up. Okay, and we have ISP, that's specific pulse. Seconds. Max input power. Slots. Yeah, this one looks nice. Let's remove this table. Oh, no, I'll delete the whole table. 100.3. 100. 1,400. 1,800. 2,800. 0.6. That's a nice table. No, this is correct. And then we'll move on to the 6 different single fault tolerance system configurations. A conventional system architecture consisting of 4 engine PPU strings identical to the single string which flew on DS1. Okay, let's try and imagine that. What does it even mean? 4 engine PPU strings identical to the single string which flew on DS1. Let me check something real quick. Checking that out. That's cool. Alright. Let's get back to it. What does this mean? Conventional system architecture consisting of 4 engine PPU strings. Identical PPU is the power per unit, but that's something propulsion power power unit? Power propulsion unit, something like that. Where would I find PPU first? Should be up here somewhere. Yeah, I can just do this. Power processing unit. That makes more sense. Okay. 4 engine power processing units. Strings identical to the single string which flew on the S1. Maximum of 3 engines is operated simultaneously. The 4th string is included to be the single fault tolerant requirement. Okay, I see. I see what it means now. Basically, they work in parallel. It's 4 engines. I don't know how they're put together. I don't see. Well, I guess okay. Yes, there is a configuration that works. So I assume. Do I even have clip? Do I even have art? Paint. Yeah, paint. So. Oh shit. Stop. Yes, this is so cool by the way. Anyways, it's not what I want to do. I assume you have a configuration like this. That is looking horrible. Like an actual circle. I just have like mini thrusters or whatever. And these are the gridded ion thrusters. Like circular format. No, not like that. Like this. And they're aligned. They have a middle one. And they're all aligned. This looks horrible. But if one fails, not what I wanted. One fails, I assume they can still function. I don't know how effective it would be. But it could also be more tightly packed. That's probably it. Probably much more tightly packed. Now, let me search this up. All engine PPU strings. Did I not turn my... Man, I am a horrible streamer. Streamer. Ion propulsion. Where is the PP? Sorry, that's a power processing unit. They just act in parallel. What is an engine power processing unit? PPU is converts like high. Yeah, okay, so they work in parallel. These are awesome. Good to know. Okay, so a PPU is a power processing unit, is an electrical component, and that can work in parallel. There's one extra aboard the spacecraft. They act as redundancy to meet the single fault tolerant requirement. Where is that? Yeah, single fault tolerant is redundancy feature. Redundancy. This is explained in a way that is unnatural, that is understandable. Do I need to write that down? I don't know. A conventional system architecture consisting of 5 engine PPU strings, identical to the single string which flew on the S1. A maximum of 4 engines is operated simultaneously. Wait, what? What's this? I don't understand. The same thing they just said. Oh, yeah. What? What? If you have 5, why do you need 4? For different systems? This is explained unclearly. I know bad stuff. Oh, wait a minute. We're already talking about the bad stuff. Oh. The 6 different single fault following system configuration is not explained. It most professionals would not professionals, experts. Understand why this was included twice. Why this particular information was repeated twice, not repeated, with a slight difference. Otherwise, this could be categorized as non-precise. Where's the words? A conventional system architecture consisting of 4 engine PPU strings with upgraded and PPUs. Delicious. Okay, sorry. Conventional system architecture consisting of 4 MBU with upgraded engines and PPUs. A maximum of 4 engines is operated simultaneously. Single fault tolerance is obtained by operating the remaining 3 engine PPU strings at 133% of their nominal power of 2.3 kilowatts. In the event of an engine or PPU failure early in the mission. trying to understand this fully, but I don't really know what it's yapping about. I'm just gonna finish reading the second, the fourth one, fifth, and the sixth before I fully understand it. Well, let's see if Ari's up to help me out. Hello, Aria. Can you help explain this paragraph? Awesome. System has 4 engine PPU strings. Think of a string as a set of connected components. Each string has an engine, likely a power source, and a PPU, probably a processing unit. Simultaneous operation. The maximum of 4 engines can run at the same time. Single fault tolerance. This means that the system can handle the loss of 1 engine or PPU. Redundancy. If 1 engine or PPU fails, the remaining 3 strings increase their power output to 133% of their normal power. Alright, let me read that again. If 1 engine or PPU fails, the remaining 3 strings increase their power output to 133% of their normal power, 2.3 kilowatts. This ensures the system continues to function despite a failure. This likely refers to early stages of the mission where the system needs to be particularly reliable. Essentially, this system is designed with redundancy to ensure it can operate even if 1 component fails. The remaining components compensate for the loss by increasing the power output. That makes complete sense. Now, let me read why I didn't understand it in the first place. Maximum for 4 engines is operated simultaneously, so the 4 turns obtained by the remaining 3. Oh, it's because I didn't understand the word nominal. What does nominal mean? What? One, the value is close to, but it's not the same as the actual value. Okay. So it's expected power? Mayonnaise. Don't know why I said that. In the event of an engine or PPU failure early in the mission. Okay, why is that so hard to understand? Because of one word. Not understanding a single word will lead to not understanding the whole thing. Okay, let's move on. An unconventional system architecture consisting of 4 upgraded engines and a single internally redundant high voltage neutralizer assembly HVNA, which provides the high voltage and neutralizer power supply functions for all 4 engines. A central neutralizer, I have no idea what these are. A central neutralizer cathode assembly and 4 separate discharge power supply boxes. Maximum of 4 engines is operated simultaneously. Single fault tolerance is obtained by operating the remaining 3 engines at 133% of their nominal power. Okay. Internally redundant high voltage neutralizer assembly provides the high voltage and neutralizer power supply functions for all 4 engines. How will I use that information? What is it doing? What is it being single fault tolerance system for? What is the redundant factor here? It would be a high voltage neutralizer. provides high voltage and neutralizing power supply functions for all 4 engines. A central neutralizer cathode assembly and 4 separate discharge power supply boxes. Oh, I understand what this whole thing is now. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Basically, these are different 6 different configurations that can be applied only once, I assume. So they can either have 4 engines, or they can have 5 engines, or they can have 4 engines running together. If one fails, it will use 3 engine PPUs. And then this one is talking about the same thing here. It uses 3 engines. It starts with 4 and uses 3, and then... Oh, sorry. I don't know what this is. What is a HBNA? If it understands at all. No, that's not it. Let's see. Brophy. What is a? Yeah, this one. Control F. HBNA. Internally. Internal. Nothing. I don't think we'll get it. See if this can find anything. Aria. It's a system that provides high voltage and neutralizes power supply for multiple engines. Is that the same thing it says here? High voltage, neutralizer power. Can you explain the above more clearly? I wonder if I can. Oh, imagine you have a powerful spacecraft engine. There's a lot of electricity on. The electricity comes from a special system called a high voltage neutralizer assembly, HBNA. HBNA has 2 important jobs. They're like a battery that provides the electricity. Okay. Now this might be gibberish. Let me read this properly. Voltage is not battery, is it? But let's see the next part. Neutralizing the exhaust. Spacecraft engines often use charged particles like ions to create thrust. HBNA helps neutralize these charged particles so they don't interfere with the spacecraft operation. Okay, that's what we needed. That's how we understand it now. Let me grab my water. No, I'm kind of thirsty. Okie dokie, I'm back. Okay, let's reread this part. Okay. Let's put notes here. HVNA. Internally redundant high voltage or neutralizer assembly. I'm gonna have to ask my professor about this. Oh, that's image, that's why. I know this is literally the paper I'm reading. I do. Might work better. The neutralizer, another hollow cathode, shows an amount of electrons to make the total charge of the exhaust beam neutral. There we go, that's what we wanted. I can't delete these papers. I probably have deleted a few in accident, but I need these as my sources of reference. That's a neutralizer. That neutralizer, negatively charged ions. Would be spacecraft builds up a negative charge which eventually makes ions back to the spacecraft, reducing thrust and causing spacecraft erosion. I like concise in this. Concise in. What is the verb to make more concise? Summarize. No. I want to ask more. Cool. I don't know. I don't know what he's asking about. Wait, it gives me links? Which eventually draws ions back to the spacecraft, reducing thrust and causing spacecraft rotation. That neutralizer spacecraft builds up negative charge. Eventually draws ions back to the spacecraft. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it like this. Close this. Let me check when this is due again. When was that? 10. Oh, I can't even do maths anymore. 16 days? Oh, I'm so busy this week as well. I'm kinda scared this year. I don't know how much time I actually have. Like last year, I knew I could handle it very easily, but this year it's kind of hard. I feel like I can do it. Truly. Okay, now that's enough thinking about on the sidebar. Don't know what that was on my side, but let us. I can just check the stream, right? Oh, it's a calendar. Okay. Clown. Let's move on. A conventional system architecture consisting of 3 engine PPU strings with upgraded engines and PPUs. A maximum of 3 engines is operated simultaneously. Single fault tolerance is obtained by operating the remaining 2 engines. PPU strings at 150% of the nominal power of 3.1 kilowatts in the event of an engine or PPU failure early in the mission. Unconventional system architecture consisting of 3 upgraded engines and a single internally redundant HVNA, which provides high voltage and utilises power supply functions. All 4 engines, a central neutralizer, cathode assembly, and 4 separate discharge power supply boxes. Maximum of 3 engines operated simultaneously. Single fault tolerance is obtained by operating the remaining 2 engines at 150% power at 3.1. What difference between these two? 3 engines simultaneously. This one has 3 engines. What? Why does it say 3 and then suddenly it's 4? Provides a high voltage neutralizer power supply functions for all 4 engines. So maybe only 3 run simultaneously? Oh, there we go. There's maximum 4, 3. Single fault tolerance is obtained by operating the remaining 2 engines. What the heck is going on? It's like 3, and then it's 4, and then it's 3, and then it's 2. So is there not 4 engines? From what I understand from this, is this one's mistyped probably? What? Oh, no, man. That's not what I wanted. Mentions 3 engines, then 4 engines, then bounces back to 2 engines. So in the 6th one, I assume there's only 3 engines. And it meant to say like 4 PPUs, something like that. Unless the HBNA is counted as an engine, which I doubt. How on earth do I do this? Look at my mouse, and spin that in a circle. This looks so nice. Race. Okay, let's stop. Oh, what do I finish up to though? I think 1 hour's worth of work fine here. So we just want to make this concise. Then make a bulleted list. And we'll list out all of put my arms up so you can see it. My hands up. So I'm gonna put each of these in a concise list. 1 4 engine back. New strings. Honestly, I'm a bit confused. Is this about the S1 or is it about the future of this technology? I believe Deep Space One has now entered the mainstream of propulsion options. So Deep Space One has already flown at this point, and this is talking about future technologies, I believe. Do I understand? I did buy fruit tomorrow. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but yeah. Okie dokie, 4 engine view strings. Attached. Identical. Maximum of 3 rated simultaneously. Fourth included to meet single fault tolerant requirement. I'm sorry, I have to, I'm lazy. is 5, right? Or engine, CPU, drawings. Oh yeah, in this case, upgraded engines is not defined. I don't know what that means. So I'll also highlight that. And then above image, oh no, it's not in the above image. Does not talk about what exactly an operated engine is, which makes it confusing for the reader. Of course, you're all professionals, but it still doesn't tell you what the heck it is. So, the point. Today is Tuesday. Oh, no, it's Wednesday. I was supposed to have something new today. No, it got cancelled. Cool. An unconventional system architecture consisting of 4 upgrade engines. Okay. Sorry, I still on 3. Operated all simultaneously. There's conciseness issues in this one. Conciseness issues. No. Conciseness, non-concise, and inconsistent. Oh my god. Can be condensed. author tries to keep the formatting, but yeah, I just realized I haven't been writing in third person. Of course, these are just notes for myself, but yeah. Author tries to keep the formatting, but instead makes it less concise. It is more consistent though, to be fair. So, that is an argument. A case to be made, one might say. I have 20 minutes to present this paper. These notes I'm taking are acting. Are taking forever for me to understand. Okay, where was I? 3. Operate all simultaneously. They're talking about engines. I don't know if it's talking about the PPU or... Where's my chat with Aria? I asked about 3. I know, can you help? I know. Is this the PPU string? A, B, C. Where's D, E, and F? Okay. I don't even know which one is A, B, and C. What the heck was that? What the heck is going on? My phone's glitching. High voltage initialize and power supply functions for all fun. Wait, what? I'm reading the wrong thing. Okay, so this is an engine, this is a PPU. Right. One other issue is... Oh, here it is. Figure 3 is not linked. Well, it kind of is. But I'm gonna complain about it anyways. I don't know how I'm gonna make this more concise. Oh, I'm having a headache just doing this. Brain's about to shut down. You still finish 4, 5, and 6. Come on, me. Yeah. 2, 3, and 4. I showed as A, B, and C. This is 3. 2. That's cool. I'm still gonna have to complain about everything. About positioning, the presentation, whatnot. Or I should just read the whole thing beforehand, but then I'll find less issues, you know? As a first time reader, that's where the issues come at. You start to realize, what? What the heck? What are you showing, man? What are you showing? You know what I'm saying? No? Okay. Give me a second. I want to see if there's a new webtoon updated. No. Awesome. It's not webtoon I'm thinking of, is it? No, it's manga. Online manga. Quest. It's question time. Oops. Did you know? That's crazy, you didn't? Or upgraded. Upgraded. There's no mention of PPUs here. Because there are no PPUs. Oh, they use discharge supply units instead of the PPUs. Remember what the AI said? Some batteries or something. HVNA. Neutralizer, cathode assembly, and 4 separate charge power supply boxes. Maximum 4 engines is operated simultaneously. Four engines. Oh, there's a mistake here. There's no PPUs here. Man, what is this guy doing? Is he trolling? Gotta add that. 10 place. Ooh, there's no proofreader for this published journal? Crazy if you ask me. Like this singer. Engine PPU brings with upgraded engines and PPUs. Maximum 3 engines. Oh, I spell simultaneously. It's such a weird word. Simultaneous. That's why it wasn't working, because yeah, my brain wasn't working because my A was in the wrong slot. So it ruined my vision of the word simultaneously in my head. I couldn't see it because it was wrong. I don't know if that makes sense. Three upgraded engines. A single internally redundant HPNA. 4 engines. Central neutralizer. Cathode assembly. 4 separate charge power supply. Oh no, my friend is sending me clips. 3 engine on. Got it right. Let's try, baby. Gurkha. Single. Bolt. Tolerance. And by operating the remaining 2 engines at 150% of nominal power of 3.1 kilowatts. Is there even a PPU here? I don't think so. I mentioned a PPU. Once again, PPU, but mention. But what's that mentioned? 6 dot. Okay, so I will read the rest tomorrow. I will definitely have to be back tomorrow. 100%. 100%. Oh yes, I said I was going to end it with a bit of reading on group project stuff. Group project. Yeah, let's go through this. Isn't that here? Let's read this. So, here's the introduction to the module. The MEng Integrated Design Project EG7000 module runs throughout the final year of all the MEng. Sorry, give me a second. I'm sorry game. MEng program. It provides a capstone element to the course by providing an opportunity for students to work on a major engineering design problem in a team in a way which closely parallels a real-world project. It is envisaged that the project will be multidisciplinary, which in my case it is. We have aerospace and we have astro. The groups are assigned to a particular project which has an outline, project description, specification, customer requirements provided by the teaching team. Group's job to develop the specification in more detail, to convert it to a technical specification, then carry out the tasks necessary to complete the project. This way, the module provides an opportunity for students to develop academic skills delivered early in the program. In order to successfully complete the module, the student must establish a plan and work schedule, perform the technical task necessary to fulfill the plan, monitor progress, manage team activities, hold and minute formal team design. I don't know what that means. Meetings and resolve any problems that arise. The module is delivered primarily through weekly formal design meetings and regular informal meetings. It therefore allows students to develop their project management skills alongside their organizational and interpersonal skills. The module encourages students to demonstrate the mastery of the subject by their ability to analyze and evaluate relevant subject material that may not have been previously covered in the course, as well as by their ability to acquire. Let me turn on Do Not Disturb mode and appraise complex new knowledge related to the project, show their willingness to apply individual and cooperative judgment to new and often complex problems. The module provides a platform for students to apply their creativity and show a high level of intellectual input when dealing with complex situations which are likely to have significant elements of unpredictability and gaps within the student's knowledge base. Each group is assigned a particular project which has an outline project description or specification provided by the supervisor for the group's job to develop the specification in more detail and then carry out the tasks necessary to complete the project. In order to achieve this, the students must establish a plan and work schedule, perform the tactical tasks necessary to fulfill that plan, monitor progress, and manage the team activities. Hold on. Did I read that just now? Whatever. Same thing, really. Module is, I don't know why it did it. Yeah, no, it's different, but it's the same content. Professionally, this module allows the students to show high levels of responsibility and organizational capability through arranging group meetings with supervisors, setting 3 project goals, and meeting appropriate deadlines. But did I read this last night? I think I read this last night. As well as demonstrating effective communication with others through chairing meetings, taking minutes, completing reports, and maintaining a group, individual logbooks, as well as taking part in presenting the seminar and producing the display for the project. I don't know if this is right, but I'm going to ask a group. Would anyone like to be secretary? Oh wait, actually I think someone is secretary. Informal secretary. Seminar, where was I? Where means administer community reports and maintain group and individual logbooks, as well as taking part in presenting the seminar and producing the display. I do need to start a logbook. Hey, what am I doing? Where am I? Oh, it's loading forever. Is this an EG? That is an EG project. EG 7000. 7000. 2024. APP, I guess. AP1. AP1. Log book. So I'm gonna copy this format. Copy the whole thing. Table. Dot. Log. Comment. So for me, I kind of missed a few days. I'm gonna just put this here in the second slot. Definitely have one other day I can talk about, which was the meeting. Log. Project read up. Small. Comment. I'm going to use as much space as I can because I know it's not getting printed. Obviously not be very long. I should probably start first. Fine. Not. This is not very smart. Okay. So you have something I did yesterday. I will not 8. This is on the 7th. Maybe it was the 8th. Maybe it was last night. It was last night. Oh, I still sneeze quite loudly. Understanding what it means to take on this project. A logbook is more of a notes kind of thing. Like a notebook, in my opinion. Put down everything you think of. The group. group, a supervisor, which is the customer, assumed, red, damn it, I knew this would happen. Assume that no. It's the group's job to develop these given specifications in more detail, both through the supervisor, as well as reaching out to professionals in the field. Task to undertake. Months of progress. Months of progress. Manage team activities. Hold and minutes. Just take notes basically. Idiots. Look at my typing. Montreal is use the meetings properly with the supervisor. Create informal meetings. Handle workload. Reminds me, I need to check if my group mate has put any information up. That's me. Right? No, it's not me. Badge. Notebook. That's really cool. Wow. That's me. No one's given any thumbs up. No photos have been uploaded. Great. Okay. I'm gonna do something real quick. Okie dokie, I'm back. Goes to develop. Oh no. I'm getting tired, my voice is getting a bit tired. I'm not really talking. Streamer, that's probably a bad idea. Drink some water and get back into it. Okay, I'll start talking now. Each group is assigned a particular project, an outline project, divided by the supervisor as group project. Group job to develop a specification. In order to achieve, the students must establish a plan and work schedule. Actual tasks. To establish a plan. To resolve problems. No problem. So the initial problem. Actually, this module allows students to share higher levels of responsibility, organizational capability. This project allows students to show high levels of responsibility throughout the year and organizational capability. With the arrangement of meetings, setting through project goals, as well as meeting appropriate deadlines. I think it's red as well. Deadlines. Furthermore, the module encourages students to recognize, question, and deal with ethical dilemmas, which will not be happening. Furthermore, this module provides students with an opportunity to further enhance their independence and probability skills. Yep, this is what I'm looking for. Hell yeah. Although it doesn't really matter anymore. Aims. Develop in students. Sorry, yeah. Oh, we must never forget learning outcomes. How do we learn from each experience? How do we grow from each experience? That's what really matters. It's time to duel. Duel me. Fight me. Fight me. Fight me. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying that. What I will do is move on. Okay, let's read the aims. You develop in oh my god. Research, design, develop, problem solving, communication, organizational, and project management skills, as well as commercial awareness required to perform major multidisciplinary project in a team environment. Dream. Yeah. To extend T to extend lost students' knowledge beyond their immediate subject specialization, learn and teach each other. To allow students to apply engineering principles outside disciplinary context and to appreciate the limitations of academic theory. Context. To allow students to apply engineering principles in a multidisciplinary context and to appreciate the limitations of academic theory. Generate an industrially relevant design from initial specification to the detailed design stage. Generate an industrially relevant design from initial specification through the detailed design stage to the optimized solution. Manage and participate in the design process. devising an effective plan, approach with appropriate time scheduling. Participate in meetings as a team member, secretary or chairperson, produce minutes and keep a properly maintained logbook. Hello, brain. Would you like to wake up, please? Yes. Effectively defend a technical design via presentation to an academic audience and industrial audience. Produce a final technical report to a professional standard. Learning outcome generated industrial. Same stuff, right? Yeah, it is. Okay, module descriptor. What are these? I don't know. MEQ. Module something. Oh, feedback sessions. Okay, now we can move on to this. The same stuff. Project may cover any industrially related subject area which is relevant to develop concepts and ideas. The learning outcomes will be achieved formal design meetings, design reviews, and formal design. Given the broad multidisciplinary nature of the module and that student-centered self-learning is required, students are formed into design groups and are presented with the initial problem, replaced by staff project supervisors. Each group plans and organizes its own work schedule, and the schedule includes regular formal design meetings at which minutes are taken, and at which each student serves as chair and secretary on a rota basis. Role play is encouraged that each group reorganizes a commercial company with every team member playing a particular role in the team. Project supervisor monitors design meetings. Okay. Need to make a block diagram to show where each student sits. What role each student is given. I don't remember. Yeah, for some reason I didn't write down which of my teammates are in which groups. But yeah, I'll deal with that later tomorrow, sure. Project supervisor monitors design meetings, general progress of the group. All members of staff are available to all design groups and electricity technical advisors. During the year, visits may be made by visiting professors. These times the groups present their work to professors. Who provide critical appraisal of their design decisions and may suggest solutions to particular technical problems. 20 hours of group meetings, 580 on your own. The module primarily runs in the second teaching block of the final year. The assessment is through individual design reports. Logbook finding blah 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 blah. What am I doing? Design reports will be produced. Yeah. Mapping. 10,000 words across all reports produced by an individual and logbook. Cool. There's an exam? What exam? 2,000 is little. What? Practical exam? No. Yeah, that's about it really. It's not true at all. I don't even know what this is talking about. Okay, that's not what I was looking for. Looking for more in-depth information. I'm looking for... No. There we go. It's 2 AM, so I'm probably gonna end this here. In which case I'd continue the other parts tomorrow. Then yeah. I would like to finish my journal first. It's my priority. Actually, I'll start off with this project management thing. Finish the reading. Move on to the logbook. Not the log. Sorry, I'll start with the logbook. Do the stuff I need to do. Finish the reading this thing. There's 10 pages here. Move back to the journal. Finish. Can I finish the journal tomorrow? I don't think so. It's possible. And then see what extra information we need. And then depending on the time, probably won't start the presentation. Probably just take a break tomorrow. After finishing it, or just end it there. Yeah, I'll do that. Alright, that's it for today. I'm sure you guys learnt something. I learned a lot about how my reading comprehension sucks. But yeah. Alright then. Thank you for watching. See you next. I'll actually stop myself there. Check this is saved. Account. Check again on this account. Thanks for watching everybody. Bye bye.